6 months ago, I was sitting in my car trying to balance a laptop on my lap while juggling my coffee, phone, and documents for a client meeting. Sound familiar? Well, today, I'm sharing something that completely transformed how I work and eat in my car, and it's called the stupid car tray. Let me paint a picture that might sound all too familiar. You're trying to eat lunch in your car, and there's nowhere flat to put your food except your lap or the dashboard. You need to work on your laptop between appointments, but your car's interior just isn't designed for productivity. Your cup holders are filled with charging cables, pens, and random items, leaving no space for actual drinks. And everything slides around when you brake or turn, creating a dangerous distraction while driving. Just last week, I was talking to my neighbor who works in home healthcare. She spends hours every day driving between clients, and she told me, "I'm constantly trying to organize my supplies, eat meals, and do paperwork in my car, but everything ends up on the floor or sliding around." And I thought, this used to be my exact daily frustration. Here's the thing, when we don't have a proper workspace in our cars, it doesn't just stay inconvenient, it actually gets worse. You waste time every day reorganizing items that have fallen or moved around. You risk spills and accidents trying to balance food and drinks while driving. You miss opportunities to be productive during downtime, whether it's eating efficiently or getting work done between appointments. After months of struggling with car organization and trying various solutions that just didn't work, I decided to get serious about finding something that actually addresses all these problems at once. That's when I discovered the stupid car tray, and despite its quirky name, this thing is actually brilliantly designed. Now, what sets the stupid car tray apart isn't just that it gives you a flat surface in your car. It's actually a complete mobile organization system that transforms your passenger seat into a functional workspace. Let me break this down for you. First, it creates a stable, level surface. The tray features adjustable legs on one end that level out your passenger seat, creating a perfectly flat workspace for laptops, food, documents, or anything else you need to access while parked. Second, it has smart organization features. There are built-in compartments, cup holders, and elastic straps that keep small items organized and prevent everything from sliding around. There are specific spots for phones, keys, pens, and even hooks for trash bags. And third, it has a secure anchoring system. The patented seat anchor and anti-slip silicone mat ensure the tray stays exactly where you put it, even during sudden stops or turns. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Instead of trying to balance a laptop on your steering wheel or dashboard where it could fall and get damaged, the stupid car tray creates a stable desk right next to you. Your coffee goes in the secure cup holder. Your phone sits in the dedicated slot where you can still see notifications, and your documents stay organized in the compartments. The moment you set this up on your passenger seat, you'll notice how much more functional your car becomes. The Elite version even includes a custom silicone grit mat that makes the entire surface non-slip, so your laptop, tablet, or food containers stay exactly where you place them. In my 6 months of using the stupid car tray, here's what I've noticed. I can actually eat meals in my car without worrying about spills or having nowhere to put my drink. My productivity between appointments has increased significantly because I have a proper workspace for my laptop and documents, and I've eliminated the daily frustration of items sliding around and falling to the floor. I'm not the only one seeing these benefits either. The stupid car tray has thousands of positive reviews and a strong following on social media with over 15,000 Facebook followers. What stood out to me in the reviews is how many people mention using it for work purposes, from home healthcare workers to real estate agents to delivery drivers. Now, let me be completely transparent about a few things. This is great for anyone who eats meals in their car regularly, professionals who need mobile workspace functionality, people who spend significant time in their cars and want better organization, and families who need to keep kids' items organized during car trips. But this might not be ideal for everyone. If you have a very small car with limited passenger seat space, it might not work as well. If you prefer to keep your passenger seat available for passengers at all times, this obviously wouldn't be practical. And if you're looking for a budget solution under $30, this isn't going to be it. When it comes to the investment, this is definitely more than a basic car organizer. But when you consider it replaces multiple accessories and significantly improves your car's functionality, the value becomes clear. The stupid car tray is particularly powerful if you regularly eat meals or work in your car, if you're tired of items sliding around and falling to the floor, if you want to transform dead time in your car into productive time, or if you value organization and efficiency in all areas of your life. If this sounds like something that could work for your lifestyle, you can check out the stupid car tray directly at the link I've provided. You'll find detailed specifications, bundle options, and current promotions. If you're serious about making your time in the car more organized, productive, and enjoyable, this is hands down the most comprehensive car organization solution I've found. It's well built, thoughtfully designed, and actually solves the real problems we face when trying to use our cars as temporary workspaces or dining areas. Here's what I'd love you to do. First, check out the stupid car tray at the link in the description. They offer both the classic and elite versions depending on your needs. Second, subscribe and hit that notification bell because I'm constantly testing products that can improve productivity and organization, and I share my honest findings with this community first. And third, drop a comment and let me know if you've struggled with car organization before, or if you have specific questions about what I've shared today. As always, I only share solutions I've personally tested and believe can genuinely improve your daily routine. This video contains affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission if you make a purchase through these links at no additional cost to you. This helps support the channel and allows me to continue providing honest reviews. All opinions expressed are my own, based on my personal experience with the stupid car tray.